What's up guys, David here with you, and today I'm going to be working on this Kenmore wash machine. The problem with this machine was the customer said that the washer just wanted to continue to wash for hours and hours. So what I've done was, when I come here, is I put this machine in a proper diagnostic mode, ran it through the test. It passed the test, okay? But just because it passed the test does not mean that there's not an issue, because it's continuing to run and run and run. Also, there was no fault codes in here. So as long as this wash machine drained, the actuator changed, it's not beating and banging everywhere, and it is functioning properly, just running nonstop, this is the reason why I'm going with the control board. So let's get into it. So the first step that I like to do is to remove these screws that's right here. You got one that's right here, right there, and you got one that's on the other side, okay? And what that's going to do is that's going to allow us to pull the top of this unit back and be able to lift it up. And the reason why we're going to do that is because it's going to make it easier for us to work on this control board with this popped up. In order to pop this up, there's teeth that's under there that by pulling this back and lifting this up, it makes it easier to get to. I'll show you here. Okay, so also there's a little panel that's right here on the back that goes right there. You want to make sure you pull that off, because you're going to be able to pull this top back. Like so. Push it on the other side. So now what that'll allow you to do, like so. And so now we got our control board that's easier to access, okay? It's easier to access. So obviously this control board is held down by, have like a screw here. Now, this here has a core on it. So we're going to have to return the old control board. Right here. Boom. Alright. So let's take this off. So we know that's going to be there. Pretty much color coded on this unit, so